Reproduction in organisms, first chapter in 12 CBSE biology. Students, in this video very quickly we are going to revise asexual reproductive structures, vegetative propagules and sexuality in organism. So let us start with asexual reproductive structures. First we can find zoospores, and zoospores are the asexual reproductive structures in Chlamydomonas. It is one of the algae, and here you have to remember these structures are motile in nature. The second asexual reproductive structures are conidia that you can find in penicillium. Next, birds we can find in hydra. In hydra, birds are the asexual reproductive structures. In sponges, gamules are the asexual reproductive structures. Now let us start the vegetative propagules. In plants, asexual reproduction occur with the help of vegetative propagules, and the method is considered as vegetative propagation. So here you can find eyes, also called as birds in potato. In addition to that, eyes also considered as birds, which are the vegetative propagules in potato. Next, vegetative propagules you can find rhizomes, which are the adventitious roots. So rhizome of ginger, another example is banana. So rhizome will be the vegetative propagule here. And here you can find bulbil of agave and leaf buds of bryophyllum. And here the leaf buds are the adventitious parts arise from the notches of margins of the leaf. So leaf buds in bryophyllum. Next you can find here offsets in water hyacinth, also called as eichhornia. Next, in chrysanthemum suckers are the vegetative propagules. In case of onion, bulbs are the vegetative propagules, and in case of strawberry, stolons are the vegetative propagules. When it comes types of gametes, if you find both male and female gametes are morphologically similar, they are considered as isogametes or homogametes. The best example what has been given in NCERT textbook is Cladophora. Cladophora is one of the algae. Here you can find both the gametes are morphologically similar. If you find both the gametes are morphologically dissimilar, one gamete is smaller, one gamete is larger, then you can consider that as heterogamete. The best example here for heterogametes is Fucus, which is also one type of algae. In Homo sapiens also we can find heterogametes because both the gametes are morphologically distinct. Here you can find the male gamete called antherozoid or sperm, which is motile, and female gamete is called as egg or ovum, which is non-motile. So this is also one example for heterogametes. Now we will see the diversity of sexuality in organism. First we can find bisexual animal. Here in the book they have given the example of earthworm. Bisexual animal because in earthworm you can find male reproductive structure and female reproductive structure within the same individual. That's why earthworm is one of the bisexual animal. Whereas cockroach is a unisexual animal because you can find male reproductive structure in one individual and female reproductive structure in another individual. So cockroach is unisexual animal. In case of plants, monoecious, nothing but bisexual or homothallic, because in chara you can find female sex organ oogonium, this is oogonium, and male sex organ antheridium. So both are present in the same plant. That's why chara is one monoecious plant, or you can say bisexual plant or homothallic. Remember the position of oogonium and antheridium. Now in case of Marchantia Marchantia is a bryophyte. It's a bryophyte. It's a dioecious plant. Dioecious plant because here you can find the female thallus and male thallus on the different plants. So female thallus is called as archegoniophore and male thallus is considered as antheridospore. You can see the differentiation between this structure of archegoniophore and antheridophore. So based on that you have to designate female and male plant. Dioecious also called as heterothallic. It is also called as heterothallic. Now next you can see the structure of bisexual flower, that is in case of angiosperm. Within the same flower you can find the male reproductive structure stamen and female reproductive structure carpel. Example hibiscus, sweet potato, these are the example for bisexual flowers.